This is a portable grinder. How about making it a temporary table grinder? This grinder has a mounting hole with M8 thread. I need a larger diameter mounting adapter. Let's see if it's worth anything. It works, but I cannot work without the cover on the side as I stand. I protect my eyes, lungs and hearing when working with the grinder. This is my additional shield made for discs of different thicknesses. I use universal table holders to attach the cover. The workpiece support is set by turning and changing the mounting height. Let's see how the grinder works with the disc protruding beyond the standard cover. The additional cover also allows working with thin discs. The secondary cover can be fitted without removing the standard cover. This self-made jig fits on an angle grinder with a different mount. A grinder is a dangerous tool. It should be used in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Remember, you are responsible for the tools you make yourself. I'm Silvestro. Thanks for your attention, and I invite you to like and comment on the video, subscribe to my channel and watch other films.